news chopper breaking the no-fly zone. It's hovering outside the tower and broadcasting the terrorists' demands live on WNN. And their spokesman has Dr. Williams with him as a hostage.
What's he doing here?
Don't know. Okay, here's the deal. Doctors Williams and Smythe are working for the DoD on a high-level weapons program. Real black box tech stuff. The terrorists are threatening to kill Dr. Williams if they aren't allowed to leave, while SecDef wants him back no matter what.
Secure Dr. Williams. Got it.
Ein Deal. Klappt ihr verhandelt mit den Terroristen? Mit denen darf man nicht verhandeln. Pass auf, nach drunten. Geh durch, Treppenhaus. Mittellicher. Oh, da hört mich Tobi.
Rope!
On the way!
Bomben und weg. Ich nehme die Treppen. Bin ich schwindelfrei.
Return fire only.
Sir, return
Fire
fire
at will.
only. Confirmed. Affirmative.
Sound suppressors on.
Acknowledged.
Machen wir die Schalldämpfernummer. Da die direkt erfüllt. Aber das ist ja, oh Gott, ein gut Stück hier. Ein gutes Stück da drunten.
Someone, please, help me! No, no,
You awake?
Wer schreit denn
I'm
noch?
awake. Good.
got him!
Something's about to happen. You
Now,
got a feeling?
get back to the room!
Aha,
I was
die
thinking
gehen wir durch, ne?
maybe we ought to cut our
I
losses
think
now
you're
and
right.
shoot our way out. Safety's
Won't
off.
get 5 feet
Already
before
there.
some
You know
SWAT
where they are?
sniper, boom!
No.
Check your fire.
Ventilate your
You
soul,
are weapons
fucking
free.
idiot.
Weapons free.
Just wait around to die instead.
Copy.
I'm ready.
Just keep watch and don't talk. Shit ain't that complicated. Now, get your ass
Bella,
up
wie
to the
meint das?
roof before company shows up.
Climb down.
Climbing down.
Roger that.
Das ist gut.
Move down.
Climbing down. I'm over the window.
Aha, ein Fenster.
Everyone in place? Yeah, but I'm telling you, they're getting itchy. I don't know. Itchy. Itchy? Pissed off.
Incoming, also bin ich schon da.
All this waiting
Heute Mist.
around, someone's going to do something stupid.
Smash and clear.
Irena will
Copy
cut off
that.
their balls. Irena's got other shit to worry about. She should let us have fun. Everyone in place?
Hier kann oben.
Roger that.
Die J-Lounge. Aha.
You think someone's out there? Just keep watch.
Und man hat Bock auf die
seriously.
J-Lounge.
You think
Stack
that they're
up.
watching us right now? If they were, we'd be dead. But what if they're just setting us up? Trying to figure out how to kill us? What if they're aiming at us right now? Just about to pull the trigger? You are one
So, da
fucked
haben wir
up cabron.
zwei Mann.
Oh, he's looking at me through his
Da nur einer?
scopes. His finger on the trigger. Please, if you're out there, pull the fucking trigger. He's driving me nuts. Any second now, I could be dead. It could happen.
Verstehe. Pass auf, sie warten. Wenn sie da ist, die Deppen. Ich mache ein bisschen Rambazamba.
You awake? I'm awake. Good. Something's about to happen. You got a feeling? I think we have company.
Obwohl, wo es ist.
You're right.
Also,
You're
Chefin,
not gonna believe this.
der Plan ist
There's a
kacke.
news chopper breaking the
Oh, die wollen
no-fly
Not
zone.
up.
It's hovering outside the tower and broadcasting the terrorists' demands live on WNN. And their spokesman has Dr. Williams with him as a hostage.
What's he doing here?
Don't know. Okay, here's the deal. Doctors Williams and Smythe are working for the DOD on a high-level weapons program. Real black box tech stuff. The terrorists are threatening to kill Dr. Williams if they aren't allowed to leave, while SecDef wants him back no matter what.
Kill Dr. Williams. Got it.
Position.
Ja, Chefin. Ich hab das auch keine Deals.
Clear.
Stack up.
Stacking. In position.
Dann zum Verhandeln sind wir nicht da.
Breach and clear.
Hey,
Placing charge.
What's left? Beide liegen. Toll.
I'm away.
Ja, diese Deppen. Und, bist du tot? Schau es aus. Ja, du stehst mir ab, okay?
You're good. On your feet.
I'm up.
Patch him up.
Copy.
Dann fliegst mal zusammen. Ja, die Schnauze.
That'll do it. Much better. Thank you. In position.
Everyone in place?
Also, Freunde,
but I'm
jetzt stehen
telling
die
you,
Kinder.
we're getting itchy. I don't know. Itchy. Itchy? Pissed off. We got him! Now go, go! These guys ain't so tough!
Oha. Was war das? Rauchgranaten? Ja, du Depp.
Go, go.
On my way.
Die ganze Bude eingenebelt.
Contact. Tango. In position. Enemy down.
Prepare for entry.
Stacking
Stack up. Hustle.
Wobei, geht auf ihre.
In position.
Aber das Dumme ist, die Gegner droppen keine Granaten, gell? Da konnte nichts absammeln. Da habe ich einen Speicherpunkt.
Taking fire.
Und der da? Keiner gefallen oder was?
Prepare for entry.
Stacking. In position.
I'm in control. You hear me, Irina, you bitch? If you don't get us out of this fucking tower, I swear to God, I'll kill your little prize. Tell Irina you want to live.
Return fire only.
Do what he wants.
Understood.
I don't want to die. We're stuck in this tower because of you, Irina. Because of your fucking brilliant plan.
Open and
So here's
clear.
how it's gonna go.
Spec off. Threat neutralized. Tango neutralized. Take him out, boss. Clear.
Und Bombe überzeugt von meinem Plan? Schon, oder?
Dr. Williams, are you hurt?
Never mind that. You need to get me to safety. There's a bomb in this building.
Bomb.
The micropulse! For God's sake! The terrorists brought me here to modify the two bombs they had. One was a crude micropulse. The other one was a conventional explosive that they moved to that building over there.
Bugger. Look out.
Hey, die
Where's the
Terroristen.
MPB?
In the bar.
Baseboom,
What
oder?
about me?
Get to the elevator. SWAT's waiting downstairs. We're going after the bomb. Joe, Dr. Williams is heading down. We're going after the micropulse bomb.
Roger that!
So, dann müssen wir dann die Bombe lokalisieren und deaktivieren. Wo meinst du hin? Der Sushi Bar? Zumindest Meter nach unten. Wilde Sushi? Wobei der Watte von der anderen Seite geben, oder? Von der Seite. Ich glaube, da ist besser.
That's a
Regroup on
no-go.
me.
Understood.
Ja, da gibt er Knarren. Respekt. Pass auf. Maschinenpistole, gell? Und was Größeres, Nicke? Also einen dicken Ballermann, sagt oder so. Zur Abwechslung. Probieren wir aus. Jetzt aber. Freunde, auf nach Vietnam. Gerade die dürfte nicht mehr so ganz so genau sein. Ja, wir wollen nach unten. Gehen wir weg da. Oh Gott, das werde ich schon wieder sick. Heute meint nichts gut.
It's an ambush! They're here! Back off!
Also bumm. Zwei sind schon fort. In den ewigen Jagdgründen.
Spec Ops!
Du bist Spec Ops. Oder Blackjack.
Spec Ops!
Zeig doch diesen Deppen. Der springt da unten rum.
Hold!
Holding, Logan!
Also Bumm ist was so.
Double time!
In position!
Oh Gott. Theoretisch kann die da drum auch sein, oder? Hey Johnny. Ja gut, dann ruhig durch die Zuge. Und Kumpel überzeugt von meinem Rattermann. Jawohl. Denkt ihr Rauchgranaten?
Michael's down!
Ja, ihr Deppen.
Impressive!
Und ist er Ruhe? Warte mal.
See to him.
Affirmative.
Helft dir mal.
That's the...
Oh, das ist ein. Eine Flashbang.
Go,
Warte
go!
mal.
Roger that!
Bisschen Damage gewonnen oder was?
Reloading!
Da drum geh. Der ist
Reloading!
nicht geahnt.
Young's down! Hostile down!
Aber ihn schießen hier.
Reloading! Logan's down. Cover me.
Oh, Freunde. Einen zu viel des Guten.